Hey guys, this is Bill Flannery, and this is a quick video to show you how to use Instagram to get in front of clients to talk about silverware, plates, and glassware. Thanks, I hope you enjoy it. Step one, I open the app Instagram. Okay, step two, I go to search and I type in a hashtag that I think will lead me to potential customers. DC Food is a pretty good one. You could see how many posts are on there. It has quite a few. Then I go into that hashtag, I look through the images, and I try to find an image that has a nice looking plate, a glass, something that someone took time and patience to photograph. So I find this plate, it kind of looks like similar to plates that I might sell. Go to that image, I click it, it takes me to the next post, which leads me to a food blogger, okay? Food bloggers are a great source of information. They can lead you to all kinds of different restaurants. The next step is she's tagged within this post a bunch of different restaurants in DC. I go through each one of these tags to see who's active on Instagram. I see who's active, who spends time and patience taking pictures of their plates or silverware or glassware, okay? So the next thing I do is I see which Instagram page has email on it. And I'll like a few of the pictures, I might comment. I may not send them an email for a while, maybe I'll comment and kind of watch their activity. But in this case, for this demo, I'm going to send an email to Succotash because they have an email address on their Instagram page. So I'll send them an email here, I'll type it, you can see what I said. I don't sell them anything, I'm just asking them if they're interested in looking at new things. And guess what? 9 times out of 10, people are very interested in looking at new things. This is a subtle way to get through the noise and get your product in front of customers. I'll do this over and over and over again, continually throughout the year. So there you go. Hey guys, what's going on? So here's the wrap up. I want to thank you for watching the video. I hope you got some value out of it. I did want to tell you that I was able to get in touch with the folks at Succotash. They did respond to the email I sent from Instagram. So this sort of tactic does work. In this particular case, I have an opportunity to present China to them, and we'll see whether or not it turns into business for us and for you guys here at Adams Burch. But thanks again for watching.